Good morning, folks. Good morning, campers. We are in Three Forks, Montana. It's time for us to get rolling for our morning pickup. So today's video is going to be, not short exactly, but not particularly long. We're not going to be super involved. I'm just going to leave the camera recording as we go over to pick up our load of talcum powder at the Three Forks mill. So we're going to go from the truck stop here to the mill on the far side of Three Forks, and I'm just going to leave it recording, leave it running, and you all can just kind of hear everything that goes on. Jeep, what are we doing? He was just parked next to me, but he left like 5 minutes ago and he hasn't gotten anywhere. Alright, blue car, you wanna... No? Alright, so... Alright, he's hitting his brakes, so he might be getting ready to move. There he goes. That was weird. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it recording, and then... Oh, I need my GPS, please. Oh, also need that to be in 3D mode and at a usable level of zoom. Thank you. Alright. Well, we're gonna... why is my dome light on? I never turn that on. It just sometimes stays on. Alright, we'll stop here just in case he rolls back. Stop, and we're going.
In 200 feet, take the entrance to the right on I-90 East.
Yeah, I'll leave the microphone on, and I won't be really talking much. We're gonna get down to our shipper, and then I'll end the video, and y'all can just enjoy this nice, relaxing drive of a whole, like, 6 miles. Nice Western Star. No, that's a Mack. Ah, that's an Anthem. I don't usually see Anthems dressed up for a flatbed. That's cool.
In 3 miles, take CR2P at 20534s. again. Turn right at 0.2 miles. In a quarter of a mile, take CR2P at 205.3 again. Turn right at 0.2 miles. In 0.2 miles, turn right on Detroit MT2 again. Turn left at 240 feet. Turn left.
Yeah. The road has been posted, no trucks.
1,000 feet, turn left on Bench Road again, approaching the destination on the left side in 120 feet.
There are people in that locomotive, so that might start moving.
You have arrived at your destination on the left side, 2150 Bench Road.